Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Take a look at downtown Ashland. The snow coming down, moderate to even heavy at times. Right now, roads just looking wet, but the big concern is tonight as temperatures drop, it's going to be a lot easier for this snow to start to stick, even down into the valleys. So we are concerned about some difficult travel overnight into tomorrow morning. Again, some good news that opening up of I-5 once again north of Grants Pass, including over the Sexton Summit, but we're going to need to watch all of our passes as we head into tonight. More snow now starting to move in to that stretch of interstate north of Grants Pass. You can see the heavier snow that's impacting the Ashland area and right down through the Siskiyou Summit. Take a look at the Siskiyou Summit. You can see those roads very snowy and treacherous. Some backups being reported on our traffic data here. So if you don't have to travel tonight, best to just stay home. Things are only going to get worse across much of the region as we head into this evening and tonight. More snow pushing through Curry as well as Josephine counties, mainly looking at just rain along the coast, but we've had some rumbles of thunder. There was a water spout further south along the California coast, so some wild weather here to end out the month of February today and tomorrow. Snow starting to push into the Wairika area. Conditions are going to go downhill once again along I-5 through Siskiyou County. Snow impacting the Cascades and just some spotty snow activity for the east side, but we do expect very snowy roads for the east side in the basin tonight on into tomorrow morning. We have a lot of winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in place for the region due to this storm. 36 in Medford, it's 32 in Klamath Falls, 30 in Mount Shasta, and 29 in Lakeview. Winds are also pretty blustery throughout the region, so blowing snow is going to be a concern, especially east of the Cascades where we have those gusts up over 30 miles per hour. So tonight, a very snowy and blustery night throughout southern Oregon and northern California. Cold temperatures east of the Cascades down into the teens, but the winds will make it feel even colder than that. And then down to 29 in Medford and 34 in Brookings. Now the coast may not see snow, but you won't have to go too high up to start to see that changeover and some accumulation. Winter storm warnings above 1,500 feet in Curry and Josephine County, above 2,000 feet in Jackson County. Also winter storm warnings for much of Siskiyou County and along the Cascades and Siskiyous into tomorrow. Now, as far as winter weather advisories go, below 1,500 feet in Curry and Josephine County and below 2,000 feet in Jackson County. This does include Phoenix, Medford, as well as Jacksonville as well. This is all through 10 a.m. tomorrow morning for the west side because temperatures will moderate and road conditions should improve. But I do expect at least some light accumulations right into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow it's going to be a cold and wintry Tuesday across southern Oregon and northern California. Very difficult travel, especially in the morning hours. Here's a look at additional snow from this evening through tomorrow. Quite a bit of snow for the Cascades and Siskiyous. We'll see another good 6 to 12 inches for the Mount Shasta area. Several inches for the east side, especially those higher passes on the east side through Klamath and Lake County. And even lower passes expecting several inches of snow. Quite a bit of snow again for you folks in the Illinois Valley. And then here's a look at Stormcast. When it comes to snow in the Medford area, though, fairly light amounts, 1 to 3 inches, but we'll be watching the radar and the forecast models closely into tonight. There will be a little bit of a lull later on this evening, but then look at late tonight. This is 3:30 a.m. Here comes another surge of snow right in time for your morning commute. So that's why we're expecting just some very difficult travel across much of the region into tomorrow morning. Snow levels down to as low as 500 feet, and then snow showers will continue on and off as we go throughout the day tomorrow, and some quieter weather expected for Wednesday. A weak system on Thursday, but nothing like what we've seen here today and what we'll see tomorrow. Your 7-day forecast shaping up like this. Rain and thunderstorms likely. Snow, though, up into the coastal mountains quite a bit. Wednesday, mostly sunny skies expected. For Northern California, snowy tomorrow. Difficult travel, especially in the morning hours. Better travel weather expected on Wednesday. For the Klamath Basin, snowy and gusty as we round out the month of February. More accumulating snow looking likely into this weekend. For the Cascades and Siskiyous, hazardous and treacherous travel for tomorrow. Heavy snow, gusty winds as well. Blowing snow is going to be an issue. And then for the Rogue Valley, snowy and wintry in a lot of spots tomorrow morning. Road conditions should improve in the afternoon just with the heating of the day. And then we'll get a bit of a break in this action, but we're going to need to watch that storm system again for this upcoming weekend.
All right, Matt, definitely a lot to keep in mind then. Appreciate it.